Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find best promo codes for Oculus Quest 2 in 2025. So in order to do it, you first have to open your web browser and search for Oculus Quest 2 promo codes 2025. Now, once you search for this query, you will see a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you the Oculus Quest 2 promo codes. So you need to just open these websites in a new tab and hop on to them one by one. So this is couponfollow.com, where you can find 90% off coupon code, 26% off, 85% off. So you need to simply click on the C coupon code, and then you just have to simply copy this code from here. Now, before proceeding on the website and redeeming this code, you need to make sure that you read the offer details that is mentioned over here. Afterwards, you just have to simply use the code at the time of checkout. Now, in the second method, you can come on coupons.com, where you can find the currently working promo codes and deals as of January 2025. Here again, you can click on the see coupons option and it will show you the coupon code which you can copy from here. Now again, before actually using this coupon code, make sure that you read the terms and conditions, and then you can apply this coupon code at the time of checkout. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.